Yes, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm VJ and you are now watching another episode of my reaction for today. For today guys, I'm recommended to watch other G22 performance. I was told to watch G22 Limitless, a performance of the 10th Wish Music Awards, and that is from G22 Fancam. So I'm gonna be watching it today. I'm really so like in awe of their performance in Malaysia, and so I'm gonna be watching their performance, the 10th Wish Music Awards, and they actually performed the song Limitless. Of course, that Limitless is a theme of their collaboration with Acer Philippines. So I'm gonna be watching that today. I'm so excited, guys. Let's go. The scream. Oh.
Let's go! P-Pop's female alpha.
Yeah. Oh. I can hear the really strong scream, that's so priceless.
Let's go, G22!
Okay, kaya mo yan.
G22!
Yeah. Oh. Wala bang mga issues dito? Like technical issues kaya ng billboards? The female alphas. One of these generations. Eh.
Let's go!
Dapat nag-accent din. Let's go! Ganon.
Make your wish. You ready for G22? Yeah! We own our own destiny. Take flight so we are certain way. Release all this energy. This energy.
Ang galing talaga. I mean, yeah. Hands down talaga. Anyways, ang ganda ng mga attire din nila, no? Mga costumes. Like, parang nag-incorporate din sa kanta nila. Very fierce. Yeah. Ooh! The crowd is also rapping. Ay, bigla kong naalala, di ba nag-ganon yung smoke? Di ba na ano si AJ nun? Yun. Di ba? Ito yung actually performance na they performed that in many stages. Very different talaga. They see to it na iba yung mafe-feel mo. Yun ba? Parang nare-refresh ka. Parang sabi mo, hindi ito yung parang nakita ko last stage. Iba na naman to, 'di ba? Napaka-fresh na naman, 'di ba? Anyways. Oh, talagang nakaka-impress, 'di ba? Yung ganong atake sa rapping na sobrang low at pinupull off yun ni Althea. Eh, di talaga ako nauubusan ng mga sasabihin. I mean, 3 lang sila sa stage, pero parang dine-devour nila yung stage, 'di ba? Iba kasi yung maraming members, siyempre given na yon na nade-devour yung stage, pero sila 3 lang, 'di ba? So, napaka-impressive. Ooh. Yes. Galing. Ang galing. Anyways, that's Limitless at the 10th Wesh Music Awards. That's a fan cam from G22 fan cam. Ang galing. Limitless talaga sila when it comes to performing live. Kahit paulit-ulit mo na yung nakikita sa iba-ibang stage, na-excite ka pa rin. You have that energy pa rin. Very limitless talaga sila. Anyways, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for actually recommending me to watch that performance, and I'm gonna be watching other performances of G22 in my next episode. For now, guys, thank you and bye-bye.